This is a Trinidad 12a. It's a nice Shimano reel. Comes in the box here with a little tool and miscellaneous paperwork. This one was a customer return from Cabelas, but it looks like it wasn't used and it still functions well. I'm not sure how to do this with one hand, but if I just grab it, you can hear it anyway. Sorry, I don't know quite how to show you and hold the camera, but you've got adjustable drag, and you can turn the clicker on and off. There's a switch over here to turn the clicker on and off, but it's a nice reel, Trinidad 12a. No obvious signs of use that I've noticed. Maybe a few little light scratches here and there that would come on any reel, even a new one, but it's in nice shape. Seems to work fine. No issues that I noticed. So anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching.